Shenzhen AsiaPrinting Technology Company Limited is one of the leading professional spare parts and printer parts factory based in Shenzhen, China. We have committed to developing, producing, and selling high-quality compatible and remanufactured consumables for more than 6 years. AsiaPrinting offer a wide range of laser and copier spare parts and printer parts for a lot of popular brands. With premium quality, competitive price, and 24 hours online services. Our spare parts and printer parts spread over 100 countries: North America, South America, Southeast Asia, Europe, South Africa are our main market. Back upon our strong R&D team, advanced processing and manufacturing facilities, all of our products make sure to be with good performance. We always use stable quality parts supplied both from China and other countries. All products are tested 4 times: raw material test, producing line test, finished products test, and random test. Adhering to the company slogan of quality is the soul of the product, AsiaPrinting insists on STMC and ASTMF testing standards to evaluate the quality. We have passed ISO 9001 too. Besides, we have developed and implemented our own testing methods, which allows us to evaluate a number of subjective parameters apart from the standard ones.